See what Ashton thinks of apples. Trying apples for the first time. What do you think? Huh? Not so bad?
Here, eat your bite. Check it, check it, check it, check it. Choo, 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 choo.
You don't like apples?
Bite. And bite.
That's what he thinks of apples.